Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at similar polygons. So two polygons are similar if they have the same shape. Then all of the corresponding angles are the same and the corresponding lengths are proportional. So here we have polygon ABCD being similar to polygon EFGH like that. And so we have angles that are the same, so A and E, B and F, C and G, and D and H like that. Also, the sides are proportional. So AB over EF equals BC over FG equals CD over GH and is equal to DA over HE, like that. So example 1. If the two polygons are similar, AB is given, BC is given, and EF is given. Find FG. So we know that AB over EF is equal to BC over FG, like that. And we want to isolate FG. That's our goal. So we're going to take the reciprocal on both sides like that, right? Just to recall that we can do it. 1 over 2 equals 2 over 4. Take the reciprocal of both. 2 over 1 equals 4 over 2. It's still true. And so now we plug in what we know. And so 4 is EF, AB is 6, and BC is 10, like that. So we're going to go times 10 to both sides, and so FG equals 20 over 3, which is approximately 6.66. Okay, time for some practice. Okay, so practice number 1. It's given that the two polygons are similar. And so the question is to find AD and FG. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So we'll start with AD. So we know AB over EF equals AD over EH, like that. Plug in what we know. And so AD over 8, so we're going to go times 8 to both sides to get AD on its own. And so AD equals 8 times 6 over 12, which gives 4. Next, for FG, we have AB over EF equals BC over FG, like that. We're going to take the reciprocal of both, so we have EF over AB equals FG over BC. We're going to plug in everything that we know. What's left is FG, like that. So we're going to go times 2 to both sides, and so FG equals 2 times 12 divided by 6, which gives 4. And that's it. It's that simple. I'll see you guys in the next video.